Welcome to another episode of Financial Market Insights for Traders, the podcast where we break down the latest trends in financial markets to help you stay ahead. I'm your host, Sophia, and today we're diving deep into one of the hottest topics in the crypto space, Solana's price outlook for 2025 and beyond. Solana, SOL, has established itself as a major player in the cryptocurrency ecosystem, often being hailed as the Ethereum killer due to its high-speed transactions and low fees. However, the crypto market is anything but predictable. Will Solana continue its rise, or will it struggle to keep up with the competition? To answer that, we need to examine the key factors shaping Solana's future, its technological advancements, institutional adoption, regulatory environment, and broader market trends. Let's explore what lies ahead for SOL. Understanding Solana's rapid rise. Solana is known for its high-performance blockchain that uses a unique proof of history, POE, consensus mechanism to enable ultra-fast transactions at minimal cost. Unlike Ethereum, which requires layer 2 scaling solutions, Solana is built for speed and efficiency at the base layer. This has made it a preferred choice for DeFi projects, NFT platforms, and Web3 applications. But let's take a step back and look at what's been happening in the Solana ecosystem recently that could impact its future price movements. Recent developments in the Solana ecosystem. CME Group launches Solana Futures, March 2025. This is a major milestone for institutional adoption. CME Group, one of the largest derivatives exchanges in the world, has introduced Solana Futures contracts, allowing institutional investors to gain regulated exposure to SOL. This could attract a fresh wave of institutional capital and increase demand for Solana in the long term. Potential approval of Solana ETFs. Following the successful launch of Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs, there's growing speculation that Solana-based ETFs could be next in line. Firms such as Van Eck and Canary Capital have already filed applications, and regulatory approval could significantly boost Solana's legitimacy among mainstream investors. Solana's recent price performance. In early 2025, Solana saw a notable 8% price surge, crossing the $135 mark. This rally was fueled by renewed optimism in the crypto market, positive sentiment surrounding ETF approvals, and a broader recovery in risk assets. These developments signal that institutional players are paying serious attention to Solana. But what does this mean for its price potential? Let's look at expert predictions. Solana price predictions for 2025. Crypto analysts have presented three possible scenarios for Solana's price trajectory over the next year. Bullish case, $300 to $500 per SOL. If Solana continues its rapid adoption and institutional backing grows, some analysts predict SOL could surpass $500. Continued improvements in network stability and scalability would be key drivers. A general bullish trend in the crypto market could also push SOL to new highs. Moderate case, $150 to $250 per SOL. In this scenario, Solana maintains steady but not explosive growth. While demand for Solana's ecosystem remains strong, increased competition from Ethereum scaling solutions could limit its upside. Regulatory uncertainty may also slow institutional adoption. Bearish case, $50 to $100 per SOL. If Solana experiences network outages similar to those in previous years, investor confidence could weaken. A crypto bear market or strict regulations could lead to lower demand for Solana. In this scenario, SOL could struggle to maintain its position above $100. Clearly, Solana's price in 2025 will depend on several critical factors. Key factors that will influence Solana's future. 1. Adoption and ecosystem growth. Solana's biggest strength is its growing developer ecosystem. With over 2,000 active projects, including NFT marketplaces, DeFi platforms, and gaming projects, Solana is becoming a major hub for Web3 innovation. If this momentum continues, demand for SOL tokens will likely increase, driving its price higher. 2. Institutional investment. With the introduction of Solana futures contracts and the possibility of ETF approvals, institutional money is starting to flow into Solana. Institutions bring liquidity and stability, which are essential for long-term price appreciation. 3. Network stability and upgrades. Despite its advantages, Solana has faced network congestion and outages in the past, which raised concerns about its reliability. To address this, developers are rolling out major upgrades, including QUIC protocol enhances network stability. Firedancer upgrade. Developed by Jump Crypto, this aims to make Solana more decentralized and resilient. State compression for NFTs. Reduces storage costs and makes NFTs more scalable. If Solana successfully improves network reliability, it could strengthen investor confidence and support higher valuations. 4. Broader market trends Bitcoin's influence. Historically, Solana's price has closely followed Bitcoin's market cycles. If Bitcoin enters another bullish phase, altcoins like Solana tend to benefit. Additionally, macroeconomic factors such as Federal Reserve policies, inflation rates, and global financial stability will impact the overall crypto market. A favorable economic climate could provide a tailwind for SOL. 5. Competition from Ethereum and other blockchains. Ethereum's Layer 2 solutions, such as Optimistic and ZK rollups, are making Ethereum faster and cheaper. This could reduce the demand for Solana as an alternative. At the same time, competitors like Avalanche and Polkadot are aggressively expanding their ecosystems. Solana must continue innovating to stay ahead. Potential risks to consider. While Solana has a strong growth trajectory, it's important to acknowledge potential risks. Regulatory uncertainty. If global regulators tighten restrictions on crypto assets, Solana could face hurdles in adoption. Network outages. Any future downtime could damage Solana's credibility among institutional investors. Security concerns. If Solana experiences major hacks or smart contract vulnerabilities, trust in the network could decline. Market volatility. Like all cryptocurrencies, Solana remains highly volatile. Investors should prepare for price swings. Should you invest in Solana? Solana remains one of the most promising cryptocurrencies, with strong technological fundamentals and growing institutional interest. However, the crypto market is unpredictable, and diversification is crucial for managing risk. For those looking to trade Solana, CFD trading offers an alternative way to profit from both rising and falling prices. Platforms like crystalballmarkets.com provide low-spread Solana CFDs, allowing traders to capitalize on market movements without owning the asset. Final thoughts. Solana's future in 2025 and beyond will be shaped by adoption trends, institutional investment, technological advancements, and market conditions. While challenges exist, Solana's ability to offer a scalable, fast, and cost-effective blockchain positions it well for continued growth. If you're considering investing in Solana, stay informed, watch market trends, and manage risk wisely. And if you prefer trading CFDs, check out crystalballmarkets.com for a seamless and cost-efficient trading experience. That's it for today's episode of Financial Market Insights for Traders. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, smart investing is about making informed decisions. Stay ahead of the game, and see you in the next episode.